I'm double majoring in German and English. And right now I have the opportunity to be an intern at an ESL program in Green Bay. And so my ESL internship is with Literacy Green Bay right now, and I have the opportunity to teach a lot of different students from a lot of different countries, and teaching them English has been so fun and such an amazing opportunity. I am teaching them how to speak, how to write. We're doing a lot of different games. It's been so fun. I did a sociolinguistics project last semester that I was really interested in. And so I did submit it. You have to submit an abstract to INCUR, which is the National Conference for Undergraduate Research. I got accepted, and now I'm looking to go to Pittsburgh to present my research. So because of my German and English majors, I have a lot of different opportunities, and I had thought about being a teacher in Germany. I've also thought about being a teacher in the United States, and I'm just looking to see where it'll take me.